Wahala for reduce am small importers. My people, the way Naija Dealers dey send specification dey weak me. For Yankee, dealer go say, make it efficient, durable, we want to build legacy. But for Naija, importer go say, reduce the quality, reduce the size, also reduce the lifespan small, make dem dey come always. So instead of customer loyalty, na customer captivity. Phone never reach 1 month, all the repair for the road don know the owner. Fan dey vibrate like generator, blender dey sound like helicopter wey miss road, charger dey hot like pressing iron on Sunday morning. The true talk be say, no be brand Naija Dealers dey build, na subscription to bondage. So now, customers no dey buy product again, na installment of frustration plan. My brother man and sister woman, follow me for more true talk. I salute una. Ado.